Welcome to DealMakers Den, your go-to source for the latest in financial strategy, geopolitical insights, and wealth-building opportunities. Today, we're diving into a topic making waves on the global stage. Is India the new China? Tariffs, sanctions, and political maneuvers are causing seismic shifts in global trade. Major corporations like Apple, Foxconn, and Tata are making bold moves, rerouting their supply chains to India in their bid for lower labor costs, generous domestic growth prospects, and a more politically stable partnership with the West. India is evolving into a new manufacturing powerhouse, stepping into roles traditionally dominated by China. Foxconn is establishing mega factories, Tata is eyeing lucrative semiconductor partnerships, and Apple is now assembling iPhones in India instead of Beijing. The global race for manufacturing dominance is on the cusp of a massive transformation. These developments have sparked tensions across various fronts: military, diplomatic, and economic. Nations around India, including Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and Nepal, are vigorously negotiating trade routes to capture a piece of the emerging opportunities. So, how do you invest in this evolving global landscape? Focus on logistics and infrastructure, which include investing in warehouses, cross-border trucking hubs, manufacturing plants, energy infrastructure, and low-cost housing near export centers. Cities like Delhi and Hyderabad have the potential to become the next Beijing and Shenzhen, respectively. India's vibrant coastline could soon mirror China's port cities, bustling with the rhythm of cargo and global capital. Remember, this trend isn't a distant event, it's unfolding right now. Those investors who recognize and engage with this shift early on will be the ones to reap the rewards. Thank you for tuning in to DealMakers Den. Don't forget to subscribe and stay ahead of the curve, because in the world of investing, being early is everything.